Hey there! My name is Harvey Harvington, and welcome to my booth! Each time you click me, I'll give you $1. Sounds like a sweet deal, doesn't it? Here's a little tip before we start. I always say clicks are like tiny magic spells. The more you believe in them, the more they'll do for you. Just keep clicking and see what happens. You've got the power in... Come on, you can... Oh, hey, look! You see the shop button up there? When it starts glowing yellow, that means there's a cool new item to buy. Go check it out. Stop that! Nah, just kidding. Keep going. Stop that! Nah, just kidding. Wow, you're really getting the hang of it. That tickle! Stop that! Nah, just kidding. Stop that! Nah, just kidding. Stop that! Nah, just kidding. Keep going. That tickle! Hey, looks like you managed to get the money. Another satisfied customer.